couldn't see it very well. Oh, okay, okay, so that's maybe you. So you're done, right? You didn't maybe argue very well for Fox.
No, I was just asking if you were going to talk about the AFSW and also today.
Oh yes, yeah, definitely so, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I did, because the audio is coming mostly from the projector, so when I go a little further, I can't hear. Yeah, I'll just tell them that again to fully explain so they have problems as well. Just give me 2 minutes to fully explain it as well.
Okay, great.
So Space Generation Advisory Council, dat je hebt Space Generation, ja, goeie man, ook eerst al, ja, Shiraz, Shirko على Space Generation Congress, وسنة كسرت لقطة عن ملك تايستان، ممكن تسمع شراب، يو بروسماي أفريقيا بروسماي يو هذا continent استبدل chapter كده chapter كاسن كسر صدق كيما بشيروينس صدق كان يلو على مسوي لندن صدق كان أفريقيا على مسوي لندن صدق كان ربنا يكبر الإنسان سواء يقول روحا يقول لنا الويب سايت كان راني صدري فيسبوك تاع سي كي انفورميشن كلاسيك دوتسين وسي وين كتير انا نسي كده بشكل عام نسي yeah, so yeah, you can continue on with the presentation I just explained today.
So the next activity we'll talk about that we're also doing some question time and discussing providers is project group. So we have a total of 10 project groups today, and each of them is focused on the topic of project work. So for instance, we have a space exploration project group, which is very popular. Also recently we established a project group on space medicine and life science. We have something about space safety and sustainability, also sports matters, and human rights, we discuss about how to do ensure that in activities it's going to be and the human rights. Commercial space, anything on the group, we can join them online on the page. You can each project group and join the project. And the idea is that each project group is working on different activities. So for instance, the space exploration one, they did an analog mission, simulating a mission on Mars. There was also the statements in the next science, they are all working on a hackathon to talk about how we can use space for the buildings of human on Earth. So the idea is to join this project group and check it out because if you're interested in more technical topics, this could definitely be of interest to you.
Let me just explain that a little part because I think it's very important for them to appreciate.
One of the main activities of JC is also scholarships. We have more than 14 scholarships and grants per year to attend not only global conferences but also regional ones and local ones. So you should definitely check them out because we can get free content to events thanks to a great partners and sponsors. So I'm new to that. I'm just going to speak about the United Nations report. So as I said, every year we go and we represent the organization that we do regulations. We get to know each other, what we do, what our member states, which is based in their positions on how we establish a space by the United Nations. So basically, when you do an event in a country and you provide recommendations out of this event, we can present the recommendations that they never based on, which is important because it shows that anyone who is not agree cannot be physically present at the event. You can still give your recommendations out loud and have an impact on the people that are running the space sector today. Another opportunity is called Space for You. So every year we do a competition. You can basically send a video to the us when the competition is open. And the goal is to describe how space can be used to protect the planet, to ensure that it's achieved. And basically we create the best videos and then you can use the competition, you can attend the IAC, you get to showcase your people at the United Nations, and you get to also have your papers on the conference paper and the reports that they use at the event. So you can get the video of your posters on what you think and use for evidence
Thank you very much. What I'll do is I'll explain some of the things in the details in Somali because I think they might not fully capture what like the SBAC fully entails. So that's why I'll explain some all the stuff in Somali after your presentation because I have another speaker coming on, but I'll hopefully explain to them some of the stuff that they might not capture, especially the project groups and the scholarship process. I think that would be very interesting and relevant. Thank you very much for your time. We appreciate it.
Website كامل فري ونفرنسين كادس. صوت دار كين سفي عمين مغلي كريم مركا